In this video, we see roadside construction work, and the area is not secured, with barriers posing serious risks. In this case, the accident is caused by a heavy object falling from above. The worker below, focused on his task and unaware of the danger, is struck by a handcart from the upper floors. In such areas, barriers alone are not enough. Protective nets must also be installed. At a factory, workers are loading material into a press machine, and there are no safety guards in place. In industrial production, moving cylinders and presses are the most dangerous areas, so caution is essential. A worker's hand gets caught in the machine due to a momentary lapse in attention, but the incident is quickly brought under control thanks to the swift intervention of those nearby. In manufacturing facilities where high-speed rotating machinery is present, even the slightest contact can lead to irreversible consequences within seconds. In this video, a worker approaches a rapidly spinning machine, and unfortunately, a tragic accident occurs. Some mistakes cannot be undone. An operator reaches into the front of the vehicle to fix a malfunction, but takes no safety precautions. Just then, the cab suddenly closes, causing a brief moment of panic. But fortunately, nothing serious happens. A momentary lapse in attention can have serious consequences. Who do you think is at fault? The operator, or the design that allowed this situation to occur? A worker trips and falls while walking along the edge of a pool filled with water. Wet floors and narrow spaces increase the risk of losing one's balance. In such areas, pool edges must be covered with non-slip materials. Fortunately, thanks to the workers nearby, he escapes unharmed. In a manufacturing environment, a worker performing routine inspections near high-voltage machinery was struck by a powerful electrical discharge due to a lack of specialized PPE and uninsulated connections. This sudden surge caused an immediate collapse, leading to severe health complications. To prevent such accidents, it is vital to strictly adhere to safety protocols. This includes conducting routine audits of wiring systems to identify leaks and ensuring the mandatory use of industry-standard protection like insulated gloves and safety footwear. Furthermore, facilities must install safety interrupters like GFCIs and provide emergency response training to all personnel. Workplace safety is never optional. Prioritizing these standards is essential to protect every worker's life. Safety alert: critical lessons from railway operations. This video documents a severe industrial accident occurring within a train yard. While a locomotive was in motion, a nearby worker, likely due to a lapse in situational awareness, was struck by the moving vehicle. The sudden impact resulted in the individual being pulled beneath the locomotive instantly. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the absolute focus required when working with heavy transit machinery. Ground personnel must maintain 360-degree awareness and never stand in close proximity to active tracks. High-visibility reflective gear is mandatory for identification. Operating procedures should include audible signals and strict safety boundaries to separate vehicle paths from staff. Finally, teams must be trained in emergency protocols. This safety alert highlights the critical importance of fall protection in construction. The video captures as a high-risk incident where a worker performing roofing operations on a steep pitch at a significant height failed to use essential personal protective equipment, PPE, like a safety harness or fall arrest system. While maneuvering large materials, the worker lost their footing and fell to the ground. This split-second accident serves as a stark reminder of the risks present when safety protocols are overlooked. To prevent such incidents, strict compliance with fall protection is mandatory at heights of 6 feet or more, requiring certified harnesses and secure anchors. Never handle bulky materials on slopes without stable platforms. prioritize personal safety over speed, as one oversight can cause life-altering injuries. While a construction crew was working near a bridge foundation pit, a truck on the adjacent road suddenly lost control, crashed through temporary barriers, and overturned into the excavation site. Miraculously, the workers used split-second reflexes to leap clear, narrowly avoiding a catastrophic impact. This incident underscores the vital need for heavy-duty protection, such as concrete jersey barriers rather than just cones, when working near active traffic. Maintaining constant situational awareness and implementing traffic calming measures like advanced signage are essential for site safety. Furthermore, emergency response training proved decisive here, allowing workers to react instantly to external threats. Ultimately, strict adherence to safety protocols and robust physical shielding. Safety alert. Essential lessons from industrial machinery operations. This footage documents a serious workplace incident on a factory production line. While heavy machinery was in operation, a worker became entangled in moving components due to a lapse in situational awareness. The incident happened instantly, leaving the individual trapped within the equipment. Colleagues acted quickly to cut the power, highlighting the extreme hazards of high-power mechanical gear. Operators must maintain a safe distance and avoid loose clothing or hanging accessories. It is critical to conduct thorough equipment checks and ensure safety guards or physical barriers are installed at all high-risk points. Every employee must be trained on emergency stop locations to mitigate injuries during an incident. Workplace safety is about protecting your life. Stay focused to ensure every workday ends safely. At a busy tram crossing, a woman wearing earphones was walking along the platform, seemingly lost in her music. The sound of the approaching tram went completely unnoticed as she stepped closer to the tracks, unaware of what was coming toward her. Just seconds before the tram reached her, a security guard nearby noticed the situation, acting instantly, grabbed her by the arm and pulled her away from the track in the nick of time. The tram passed only moments later, missing her by a very small distance. The incident left witnesses shaken, not because of harm, but because of how close it came to becoming one. It served as a powerful reminder that sometimes the biggest danger isn't speed or machinery, it's distraction. This close call highlights how important situational awareness is in public spaces, especially around railways, trams, and other transport systems. Earphones, smartphones, and other distractions can significantly reduce a person's ability to sense danger. Our hearing plays a vital role in detecting approaching vehicles, warning signals, and alarms. But once we block it out, we lose one of our strongest safety tools. Inside a busy work area, a group of workers was assigned to move a large and heavy glass pane from a storage rack to a nearby installation point. The sheet was wide, smooth, and difficult to grip. But as they began to tilt it upright, one side of the pane shifted slightly. The weight distribution changed unexpectedly, putting extra pressure on the other side. Before anyone could stabilize it, the glass suddenly cracked and broke, startling everyone nearby. This event highlights a critical rule in material handling. Never underestimate the risks of manual lifting, especially with fragile or oversized materials like glass. Glass panes are not only heavy, but also unpredictable under uneven pressure. Even experienced workers can face challenges when proper handling tools are not used. At a crowded railway station in India, a man arrived just as the train had started moving. Determined not to miss it, he began running towards the moving train, hoping to grab the door handle and step in before it picked up speed. As he reached near the door, he extended his hand to catch it, but his foot slipped on the platform edge. Losing balance, he fell sideways and made contact with the moving train. This moment, though lasting only a few seconds, highlighted how easily everyday impatience can turn into a serious safety risk. Trains are massive pieces of machinery that cannot stop instantly, even if an accident occurs. Trying to board or exit a moving train is one of the most common yet most dangerous mistakes people make at stations.